We're at the Monument Garage and Multimodal System Center that is located at the corners of Government Center Parkway and Monument Drive, very close to the I-66 corridor. So not only do you have access to the transit system, the Fairfax Connector, you also have a secure bike room for securing your bike, or you can do in the unsecured areas. It's a place where people can walk to and catch the buses. They can ride their bikes to catch their buses, but it's also very important, since we are close to the I-66, to actually allow sluggers to come in and do their ride sharing to get them into the district a lot quicker without having to pay the tolls or deal with the frustration of congestion.
Our community has grown. We've got many more jobs in the community, many more places to go, and many more things to do. And this facility will allow us to connect people to not just to DC, and allow us to connect us to multiple hospitals, multiple activity centers, many job opportunities, social service centers. That's what will allow us to do with this location. When we're done with all these changes, 2/3 of the transit system will be able to be linked from here.
It's a facility that's going to embrace a lot of the county's initiatives to make the environment cleaner. Not only is transit a very important part of reducing air pollution and stuff like this, but this facility also has solar panels that will help offset the electrical costs of this facility. It has electric charging facilities for those people that want to use their electric vehicles, that helps the environment to charge here. There will be a fee for it, but it's open access for those chargers. The best way to find out more information about this location, or even the services coming out of it, is at the county website or the Fairfax Connector website.